Greetings from my integrations lab. Eventmobi's Integration Hub is much more than a way to just move data from your registration system into Eventmobi or back out into a CRM or ERP system. Actually, with Integration Hub, you can build entire workflows. In other words, you can build real automation. And this is exactly why I want to show you a few examples today. Not just the obvious integrations you might already be thinking about, but some genuinely cool workflows that can make planning and running your events noticeably easier. Let's start with a simple one. Imagine you're running a multilingual event. Your speakers register and upload their bio, but obviously only in one language. You'd love to offer a second language automatically without chasing or copying text around. With Integration Hub, that's easy. As soon as a speaker registers in Eventmobi or updates their profile, we check whether this person is marked as a speaker. If they are, we send their bio to a translation tool, in this example DeepL. The text gets translated and both versions are written straight back into Eventmobi. For you, that means no manual work at all. A speaker uploads their bio and a few seconds later the translated version appears underneath it. Let's stick with speakers for a moment, because here's a use case that many people don't even know exists. Being a good host, also means taking care of your speakers. Sometimes that's a small gesture of appreciation, something thoughtful and personal. At the same time, you probably don't want to hand things out on site, and you definitely don't want to deal with shipping gifts after the event. This is where services like Gift Sender come in. Gift Sender specializes in sending personalized gifts worldwide, and you can connect it directly via the Integration Hub. The idea is familiar by now. When a speaker registers or is added to the speaker group in Eventmobi, their address and relevant details are automatically passed to Gift Sender. Gift Sender handles personalization and delivery, and you can tick one more thing off your list. Now, let's talk about networking. Great networking depends on well-filled attendee profiles, but we all know how it goes. Not everybody wants to type the same information into every event app they use, so bios get skipped and profiles stay half empty. The Integration Hub can help here as well. If somebody registers, doesn't provide a short bio, but does include their LinkedIn URL, you can automate the rest. Using connected services, we fetch the LinkedIn profile content, we prepare the content, and we send it to an AI of your choice. In this example, OpenAI. With a prompt that you define, you can then control the tone and the length and the style. Once the bio is ready, it's written straight back into Eventmobi. The result is simple. Better profiles, better networking, and no extra work for your team. If you want to take engagement one step further and turn your participants into ambassadors for your event, here's a fun one. You can automatically create personalized images that attendees can share to promote their participation in your event. For example, you might prepare a Google Slides template with placeholders for the first name, last name, and networking topics. As soon as somebody now registers in Eventmobi, the Integration Hub fills out the template automatically. The slide is then exported as an image and emailed directly to the participant with a simple request to share it. More reach, more visibility, and again, no manual effort. And finally, here's my personal favorite workflow, the VIP moment. As a good host, you know that VIPs don't just want to check in. They want to feel recognized and welcomed. You can build a workflow that triggers every time someone checks in, for example, using the Eventmobi on-site app. We then check whether this person is marked as a VIP based on their profile or groups or a list that you define. When a VIP arrives, you get an instant notification and, if you want, even a phone call, so you know exactly when it's time to step in and greet them personally.
Oh Torben, your VIP, Rudy Fuller, just checked in. Please go and welcome them. Ping.
When we started building Integration Hub, the original focus was on connecting CRM and AMS systems. But that's just really the beginning. I'd encourage you to think bigger. What can you automate today? Where are you still spending time on repetitive tasks? And how could smarter workflows help you create an even better experience for your attendees? From the lab, back to the studio. Thank you very much.